Good morning from Grand Plain Farm. It's September 3rd, 2025, and it's around 10 a.m. The sun's shining right now on me, but over there off in the distance you can see all the smoke from the wildfires. So you can't really see too far away. It is 81 degrees right now, so trying to trap this heat in. Here's the 7-Eleven chickens waiting for some grain. And Spaz over here looking for mice. Yeah, I turned the sprinkler back on. The lawn's drying out. And I'm trying to water this little tree right here. Keep it alive. Still on the low pressure line. I'm not for sure what's wrong with the irrigation. It's very close to being done. Well, it's really getting smoky now. It smells like a campfire. You see the haze over there. Smoke's getting thicker. You can see a little further down that drier ridge. When I first looked, it's coming down here in the valley. Yeah, we got lucky. There wasn't too many fires over the summer. A few years there, it was every summer. It was so smoky you can hardly